Howdy, howdy, my friend. How's everything going for you? Um, new spring semester just started up in America, so I'm really swamped with what I'm given to do. But I still want to teach you the basic concepts of list and tuple in Python today. I still believe that the best way for you to practice those concepts is to go through a lot of practice problems. So let's get started. Write a program which accepts a sequence of comma-separated numbers. So this is sort of the key point here. A sequence of comma-separated numbers from console, and generate a list and a tuple which contains every number. So let's try to understand what this sentence is trying to say by going through this example. Suppose the following input is applied to the program. So if the following input 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, and these two lines are the outputs that are supposed to be printed. So, and actually these problems also give us hints that in case of input data being supplied to the question, it should be assumed to be a console input, and tuple method can convert list to tuple. So this should be pretty easy and straightforward. And every time before I start up writing code here in Python, it's better for me to encapsulate, meaning that it's better for us to write all different small functions serving their own purposes. One function is supposed to be designed to serve only single purpose, so that then later when we jump into software engineering, it can like carry out many different tasks. So I would say the def list or tuple as a camel cake character does not take any parameter, and I want to get some input from user, like enter your integer, stuff like that, right? And as you know, this input's going to be stored as string by default in Python. And I want to say I'm going to use it split method dot comma. So this means I want to split the list or the list of strings here based on comma, and I want to call it list material. So every time in Python, the assignment statement, based on the equal sign here, I want to assign the values of the right part to the left part. That's what this line is saying. And I also want some tuple material, you know. And the way I do it is just switch this item list material to the tuple. So what I want to do is list material. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to print out, hey, list material is, and make sure you don't have any type, okay? List material, and you want to print out, hey, my tuple material is, okay, tuple material. And the way you call this function is make sure you have a de-indent again and say list or tuple. Let's see if we can get this result back. Enter your, so let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is the result. My list tuple is whatever that's comma separated inside of this bracket, meaning that's the list, and these are the sort of the array of tuples stored in this parentheses. So let's try to run this function again and see what we can get from here. List or tuple. Enter your integers. Let's say it can be any random integer, doesn't matter, right? I can even put some negative number and see what's going on. So this are the list tuple is as following, tuple material is following. So the key point of this video is once you want to get some arrays of inputs or arrays of inputs by space or by comma, if it's a space, you can just say, hey, just split by default. But if you want to separate it by comma, you can use the dot split method, and that automatically switches to the list materials here. And if you want to change that list into a tuple, you can use this tuple method in Python. So I hope you enjoyed this great video. If you like it, please press like and subscribe to my channel. I promise you that I will keep uploading my daily practice of my Python prompts so that you can you can get used to solving this type of Python problem. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.